Struggling with pockets that cut too deep or not enough? Discover how FreeCAD 2 first option deliver perfect deep pocket every time. Learn this tutorial. Welcome back to my channel. We will discuss about two-face pocket and the function of two-face pocket is the pocket stop at the first surface, and we will watch. This is the material practice and have two surface 1 and 2 with different height, and we will make a pocket in the bottom in this rectangle. And we can practice the two-face pocket. Click pocket, choose two-face, and will be automatically make a pocket in the first surface. We can observe from the bottom this pocket, and in the top view stop at the first surface. This is the first surface, and that is tutorial how to make pocket type in two-face surface. I hope you enjoy my video and can benefit to you. If this video you like, can you like and subscribe, and bye bye amigo. Thanks.